Hypothyroidism by Nina Gators. Hypothyroidism is the underproduction of the thyroid hormones triiodothyronine T3 and thyroxine T4 due to an underactive thyroid. In the normal endocrine pathway, the hypothalamus in the brain releases thyrotropin-releasing hormone, TRH, which travels to the anterior pituitary gland, stimulating the release of thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH. Then, TSH travels through the bloodstream to the thyroid gland, a butterfly-shaped gland located in the neck. This signals the thyroid gland to produce T3 and T4 in its follicular cells, releasing them into the bloodstream and allowing them to travel to different parts of the body. The production of these hormones is regulated by a negative feedback loop. For example, when thyroid hormone levels are sufficient, T3 and T4 inhibit the production of TSH and TRH. Since T3 and T4 are hormones, they are able to cross the cell membranes of their target cells passively. Then, T4 is changed into T3 by a deiodinase enzyme in the cytoplasm, as it is inactive as T4. Once active, T3 enters the nucleus and binds to its receptor, the thyroid hormone receptor, TR. This receptor acts as a transcription factor, repressing particular genes in the absence of T3 with a bound co-repressor. Additionally, TR is bound to another TR, forming a homodimer. When T3 binds to the ligand binding site in TR, the co-repressor's binding site changes shape and is released, and the TR homodimer breaks up. The receptor then binds to a co-activator, and the TR forms a heterodimer with a retinoid X receptor. The gene is then activated and transcribed into mRNA and sent to a ribosome to be transcribed, producing a cellular response. This pathway can lead to increased lipid and cholesterol metabolism, increased heart rate, and an overall increased metabolic rate. The most common cause for hypothyroidism is Hashimoto's thyroiditis, an autoimmune disease. This means the body's immune system does not recognize the thyroid as a part of the body and attacks it. This leads to the inflammation of the thyroid gland, harming the follicular cells that produce T3 and T4, ultimately reducing the occurrence of the thyroid hormones pathway. Thus, the body's overall metabolic rate is decreased, resulting in symptoms like bradycardia, constipation, weight gain, a loss of energy, and dry skin and hair. Additionally, with the anterior pituitary gland trying to maintain homeostasis, it produces more and more TSH when thyroid hormone levels are low, leading to the formation of a goiter, or swollen thyroid gland. Thank you for watching.